everything is going to be okay. I remember it like yesterday when I was sitting in my hotel room the night before I had to move in, where I was literally like terrified of what was to come. Like I said in my meditation video, someone who had social anxiety, it was hard for me to just introduce myself to people and just talk to people. So the idea of going into some whole new world that was away from home, away from all the friends that I have felt comfort in, it was all gone, and I was in a situation I'd never been in before. But it only took a few weeks for me to establish my routine and get on with life as it was before. Obviously not the same way, but it was a routine. And that's what it'll be for every one of you. When we have these few changes, it seems like we're never going to be able to adjust to this new way of life, but we all find our way at some point. And while at the same time, as we find ourselves in our routines, we're going to have comfort zones reemerge again. You have to understand, with college, this is the time when you're going to become the person that you're going to be for the rest of your entire life. You have to think about all the things that you're interested in, what you're passionate about, what you care about. And for those of you who are lucky to know what your life purpose is, think about that and realize that college gives you so many resources to get to a certain goal that you want to. Utilize that. If there's a club that seems moderately interesting to you, just try it out. Don't think of any reasons to just not do it. And like I said about friends, I put myself out there and make friends, and I'm so grateful for it. And that's why you have to do the same. Everyone's social hierarchies are completely gone. You, the person you're living with, everyone in your dorm, everyone at college. It's all gone. And so now people are at the best opportunity to make friends because everyone wants to make friends. This is such a rare opportunity. And it's why people in their 30s and I think even 20s, they struggle with making friends because they don't have that time spent together, that opportunity to be around so many people who are eager to just be social. You have to actually go out there and introduce yourself to people and just be friendly and kind. The basic way to sum it up is lean into the discomfort. While you are taking all this action, always be sure that you're taking care of yourself. The whole reason why I started meditating was because of what happened last semester. I literally collapsed. I was at my lowest point as I've ever been in my entire life. And that was because I didn't prioritize myself first. College is hard. It's hard as fuck. There are so many things you're gonna have to juggle, especially if you're taking the action to do so. So that's why each and every day, make sure, am I living the best life that I can live? Am I working out? Am I meditating? Am I eating right? Am I getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep? The fundamentals of life are the foundation to living the way you want to. If you don't do that, you're not going to get anywhere. For those of you who are freshmen, understand this is one of the greatest opportunities of life. A fresh start, a clean slate. We humans don't get that many chances in our lives, so take it. Have fun, grow, love yourself, and do amazing things that you all are capable of. So for those of you starting or who are about to start, I wish you luck. I know you're going to do great. If you want any advice, hit me up on my Discord, and if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Stay safe, everyone.